In this video, I'll guide you through how to track user retention in Google Analytics 4. User retention is one of the most important metrics for understanding how engaging your website or app really is. It tells you how many users come back after their first visit and over what period of time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your retention data in Google Analytics 4 and how to start using it to get quick insights. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have access to the GA4 property you want to analyze. Once you're ready, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the main entry point for Google Analytics. If you have multiple properties, you might first land on a list of accounts and properties, so just select the correct GA4 property from the property selector at the top if needed. After the property loads, you'll see the main analytics interface with a menu on the left-hand side. Today, I'll show you how to get from this home screen straight to the retention reports that matter. Look to the menu on the left and click on Reports. This is where Google Analytics groups all the standard ready-made reports that help you understand who your users are and what they're doing on your site or app. When you click Reports, the left-hand menu will expand into different sections. In Google Analytics 4, a key group of reports is called Lifecycle. This section focuses on how users move through different stages, from acquisition to engagement to monetization and beyond. I'm going to walk you through how to reach the part of the lifecycle section that's dedicated specifically to retention. Within the lifecycle section in the reports menu, look for the option labeled retention and click on it. It usually appears under other options like acquisition and engagement. Once you click retention, Google Analytics will load a dedicated page showing metrics and charts related to how well you're keeping users over time. Here you can track user retention in a visual, intuitive way. You'll typically see charts that show how many users return after their first visit, broken down by days, weeks, or even longer periods, depending on the configuration. You may notice a line or bar chart representing returning users over time, as well as cohort-style views that group users based on when they first visited and then follow how many of them came back in subsequent periods. Take a moment to hover over the charts and read the tooltips. These often explain exactly what each metric means, such as the percentage of users who returned after their first session. You can also adjust the date range at the top of the screen to focus on a particular time window, like the last 7 days, 30 days, or a custom period that matches a recent campaign or product release. This makes it easier to see whether recent changes are actually helping you keep more users engaged. If you want more precise insights, you can experiment with the filters and comparisons available in the interface. For example, you might compare different segments, such as users from different countries, traffic sources, or device types. While this doesn't add new steps to what we've done, it helps you get more value out of the same retention view you've just opened. To recap, you went to analytics.google.com, opened the reports section on the left, navigated to the lifecycle area, and clicked on retention. From there, you can explore how well your site or app keeps users coming back over time. That's all you need to start tracking user retention in Google Analytics 4 and turning that data into meaningful insights about your audience.